Welcome back to Sunrise Studios. My name is Brent Sieverts and I'm VP of Sunrise Global Support. Sunrise is here to be your partner today, tomorrow, and 10 years from now. And part of fulfilling that promise is ensuring we have 24/7 in-house global support. So a lot of customers, after they've gone live on the system, struggle to develop internal support capabilities across the huge breadth that the system offers. They want to take advantage of that, but it's not practical to bring all in-house. So what we offer is a way to dynamically scale your team and outsource. So that's where Sunrise Global Support comes in. Whether your team has a tough issue they can't crack, needs a few weeks of user support, or even has a slate of mini projects to tackle, Sunrise will be ready to support your goals. Sunrise Global Support is a simple pay-as-you-go model. And yes, you can work with us even if we weren't your implementing partner. Our global support team consists of experienced implementation consultants, ranging from AX to D365 to CE and CRM and other areas of the business application suite. Whatever your goals are, Global Support has your back. All that being said, work with Sunrise Global Support to reap the investments of your business applications for a lifetime.